1.67 million square feet of coverage that they clean on a annual basis, and it is amazing what they do for us. That's one of the lower levels of need for our schools in terms of cleanliness, walking into the building so our students can learn.
Thank you for managing over 20,000 devices and over 700 access points in 22 buildings. You guys are fantastic.
Thank you for maintaining buses and vehicles that travel 2 million miles per year.
Thank you for mowing over 270 acres each week.
Thank you for already answering 5,000 tech questions this school year.
Thank you for fulfilling over 10,000 technology work orders.
So this is our week where we recognize our maintenance staff, our custodial staff, and our computer operations staff. The number of acres that we maintain and mow on a weekly basis, the number of square feet that we manage throughout the district, both from a cleaning standpoint to trying to make sure all of our equipment is running so we have nice, cool, and well-lit spaces to do our work with kids. And then also our computer techs that manage. I mean, we now have a Chromebook for every student, and you start thinking about almost 2,000 staff members, almost 11,000 students. I mean, it's amazing the number of machines that they're managing and troubleshooting and dealing with on a weekly basis, all with just keeping us up and running. I remember starting school and walking around all the campuses on my visits and just noticing how clean our buildings are, and the importance that is from a staff to our students standpoint is being in a clean, well-maintained building is just incredible. So do me a favor, if you get a chance to see a maintenance person working in your building, certainly your own custodial staff that are working in your building, or a computer tech, pause and take a minute and just say one word of gratitude. Thank you. That's what we do for each other, and that's what makes this a special place.